Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.